Previously on Crafty Kids TV, we tested 3 no glue slime recipes, which all ultimately failed. In this week's video, recommended by one of our subscribers, we're testing a face mask slime recipe. Shout out to Calm Sounds 80. Subscribe and comment down below what we should try next. We're here at the first store, straight to the cosmetic section to find face masks. Found some, but they had no PVA in it, so gotta try another store. Let's head to Kmart and see if they have any face masks with PVA in it. They had so many face masks. I actually had to search it up, and this brand of face mask had PVA in it, so I was hoping it was in stock. I'm so excited. I really think this recipe is going to work. I also ended up getting a 5-pack of these plastic containers to make the slime in. I'm hoping the color of this face mask is pink like the bottle. It's so pretty! And I love the raspberry smell of the face mask. Check out this color, it looks so nice. It looks like pink glue already. Grab your homemade activator. I'm using baking soda. I have a tutorial to make this, so if you'd like, go check that out. Adding a little bit of baking soda activator at a time. Give it a good mix to combine it well. Here's some facts about PVA and why it's the secret ingredient for no glue slime. I'm just going to keep adding the activator until it turns into a solid-like mixture. I added a few drops of saline solution to activate it a bit more. Oh my gosh, it actually works! How cool is that? Let's pick it up and play with it, see what it feels like. I love how it's pink and see-through. It's so nice and glossy. So fun to squeeze as well. It has sort of like a water slime or jelly slime texture. I think this is the easiest no glue slime recipe you could ever make. If you want to make the same slime at home, make sure the face mask you choose has polyvinyl alcohol or PVA in it. And it will 100% work, I promise. Let me know how it goes if you try this recipe yourself at home. Happy crafting, and thanks for watching. Bye!